Welcome back to my channel, Chatting with Chops. My name is Karen and I like to make fun and entertaining videos that might teach you something. And today we are on a trail walk. We're doing a Walk With Me trail. This is the trail at Sandy Run, which is basically on the side of the a very busy road you can hear. And we are right beside a big apartment complex. So it seems like a strange place to just stick a nice trail, but we're gonna go and see what it looks like and take you with us. The trail began on this beautifully made wood boardwalk over the water and did go throughout the majority of the walk, off and on through some more kind of swampy areas, but just was absolutely beautiful and from what I can tell, very, very well built, very solid. And there were a few park benches throughout the way, so you had somewhere to sit. This trail is completely cemented around, and as you can see, we're back behind what looks to be two apartment complexes. So it's this nice little trail that they've built for them. And of course, there's trash cans and seating and a lovely little bridge walk area that we walk through over the water. So it's a really pretty area that you can walk. It's very flat. There's no difficulty in walking. And then the trail basically ends in another subdivision. And you just turn around and go back.